how to fix the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero communication error. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero communication error. Alright, so let's begin. First thing you want to do is head over to settings, then go to Windows Update and make sure that you are up to date. As you can see, I'm not up to date, so I'm going to click on check for updates. But if that doesn't show you a show for you, click on check for updates and make sure you update it. Next thing you want to search for CMD and click on run as administrator. So first thing you want to type in is ipconfig/flushdns and then hit enter. As you can see this thing, and the next step you want to do netsh and then win soft reset and then hit enter. This one might take some time for some of you guys, but after it's done you want to restart your PC. Now another thing is sometimes the Dragon Ball server itself is down, so you want to check whether it's the server down or it's a problem with you. But if these fixes don't work, then you probably can try uninstalling and reinstalling and see if that fixes the issue. So that's basically how you can Dragon Ball Sparking Zero communication error. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.